Hello guys. In this lecture, we'll see how to create company code. As per our enterprise structure, company we already created in our last session. Now we'll create the company code. These two entity is supposed to create by FICO person, finance and controlling. But for MM related things, in order to create all the other enterprise structure related objects for MM, SAP MM related, uh, enterprise structure, we need firstly need to create the company and company code. But in case if finance person is not available, so we can easily create this company and company code. So in this lecture we'll see how to create company code. We'll copy it from the reference company code which is already provided by SAP, as there is no finance person available. So same path is there: SPRO, SAP reference IMG, go to enterprise structure, then definition. In financial accounting, you need to click on edit, copy, delete, check company code. Here, as we are directly copying it from the standard company code, which is a standard practice, just to avoid any missing entries as it is related with finance related things. So we'll just click on copy, delete, check company code. Click on second option, copy organization object. Here, he will provide one reference company code. For example, we are taking 0002, which is already available in system and having all the finance related settings. And new company code will provide, let's say, UK00. UK00 is our new company code, which we want to create in system. This is a standard one. We are just copying it from the reference one. Click on continue. Here, system will ask you for different things. For example, do you want to copy the GL accounts company code data? So in this case, if we click on yes, all the standard GL account related setting will be copied to our new company code. Second, do you want to allocate different local currency? No, because we already provided the currency as a Indian rupees. Click on enter, click on enter, click on enter, and then click on no. Do you really want to transport number ranges? No. And as you can see on the downside, all the settings from the reference company code started copying to the current company code. Just wait to complete it 100%. These all setting in actual practice, finance or controlling person will taken care. But in case of his efficiency, if you want to practice or test on a dummy server, then by referring earlier session for company and this session for company code, you can easily start preparing the enterprise structure for the material management. Okay. Once it is 100% done, all the settings will be copied to our new company code, which we prepared as a UK00. This will take some time. Just wait for it. All the tables or the general ledger accounts, all the standards setting like financial accounting, global settings, this will be covered here. So once it is done, this will be asked to save your company code data object in the your TR, whichever you created. Click on enter, continue, and this will be copied. Now, one thing here we need to remember, like we are just copying all the settings. So all address related things, name of the company code will be also copied from the reference one that we need to change. We are just interested in the financial related, all the settings or the tables or the ledgers which are available. But as we are creating the new company code, we need to change the name, description, and address of the company code. Once this copying part done, we'll change all the required information for our new company code. That also we'll see. This will take some time, so please bear with me. Really, enterprise structure starts with company and company code. So finance team has to create it firstly. Then only enterprise structure related with other module like material management or sales and distribution that can be created, because we need to assign all the components related with other modules to the company code. So that's why, just for the practicing, we need to create company and company code. It will take hardly 5 minutes. Please don't cancel it, because it is copying all the data, all the details of the reference company code to our new company code. So wait for some time. Here you can track the progress, 97% done. For this portion of the video, you can skip it. Directly jump on the part where the company code is copied, all the things from the reference one. It depends on you. Now you can see the information message that company code 0002, which we taken as a reference one, has been successfully copied to the newly created one, that is UK00. But now we need to change some information. Okay. Here completed activities also same message will come. Just go back, click on the edit company code data. Here click on position and search for the newly created company code UK00 and click on continue. Here once you see this newly created code, select it, click on the details. Here you can see Redison 1997. It is straightly coming from the reference one that you can change. For example, here I will change it to my company name, whichever I have provided or business provided me as a requirement. Okay. City and all the details you can change. City Mumbai, IN, these all details are okay. Then click on the address tab. Here you can set the company code address as per as provided by business or stakeholder. Okay. For example, I am providing here address Pune. Search term you can provide. For example, here name they want. So name same you can put machinery private limited. Okay. Search term same name you can put in search term as well. If it is not completely, then you can put few name machine. Then you need to update the address. For example, I will give the address street number 2, 123. Post office you can change as per your requirement, whichever you got. Okay, country is IN. Region you can select. Region is readily available. For example, 13 is for Maharashtra. If you check this pop-up option, you will get region for all the states in India. Time zone, if you want to put, you can remove it. Okay. This PO box address, additionally, you can add telephone number or Gmail. You can change as per your requirement. For example, I am just for the demo purpose showing you, but you can maintain all these details as given by the business to update against the company code. If you click on the preview, you will see how it will be displayed. Okay, here it is showing company, company name, state address, and India. Okay, this you can change as per your requirement. Click on continue and click on save. Again, the pop-up will come They will ask you to save your object in the customizing request. Check that request is yours only and click on continue. This is how we can create company code. So out of this, we have seen company and company code. In next lecture, we will see how to create plant, which is nothing but related enterprise structure object. Thank you.